The Electric Garage brings you an in-depth look at the Northrop YF-17 2025, a modernized version of the legendary lightweight fighter that paved the way for some of the most advanced aircraft in history. This updated YF-17 blends cutting-edge avionics, enhanced aerodynamics, and powerful propulsion to redefine air superiority. The Northrop YF-17 2025 is powered by twin advanced turbofan engines, producing a combined thrust of over 40,000 pounds. This enables the aircraft to reach speeds exceeding Mach 2 while maintaining exceptional agility and maneuverability. The upgraded thrust vectoring nozzles provide superior control during high-speed engagements, making it a formidable contender in aerial combat. The aircraft's advanced fly-by-wire system ensures precise handling, allowing pilots to execute complex maneuvers with ease. Designed with a lightweight composite airframe, the YF-17 2025 achieves a perfect balance of strength and agility. The redesigned fuselage incorporates stealth elements, reducing radar cross-section and enhancing survivability in hostile environments. The sleek aerodynamics, combined with forward-swept canards and an upgraded wing design, significantly improve lift and overall stability at high speeds. These refinements allow the YF-17 to operate effectively in various combat scenarios, from air superiority missions to ground strikes. Inside the cockpit, the YF-17 2025 features a next-generation glass cockpit with a panoramic display, providing pilots with real-time battlefield data. The AI-assisted avionics system enhances situational awareness, optimizing target tracking and threat detection. The advanced helmet-mounted display integrates seamlessly with the aircraft's weapon systems, allowing pilots to lock onto targets simply by looking at them. The digital flight interface reduces pilot workload, ensuring maximum efficiency during missions. The YF-17 2025 is equipped with a state-of-the-art weapons system, including a high-energy laser cannon for precision strikes, beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, and a new generation of hypersonic missiles. These armaments provide unmatched offensive and defensive capabilities, allowing the aircraft to engage multiple targets with pinpoint accuracy. The aircraft's internal weapons bay reduces drag and enhances stealth capabilities while maintaining a diverse and powerful arsenal. For electronic warfare and defense, the YF-17 2025 features an advanced electronic countermeasures suite, including jamming systems, decoys, and an AI-driven threat assessment system. The aircraft is designed to operate in contested airspace with minimal detection, ensuring mission success in even the most challenging conditions. Its advanced radar and infrared tracking systems allow for superior target acquisition, giving pilots an edge in combat situations. With its modernized capabilities, the Northrop YF-17 2025 stands as a testament to innovation and engineering excellence. It represents the future of air combat, blending speed, power, and intelligence to dominate the skies. For more exclusive content on high-performance vehicles and aircraft, subscribe to the Electric Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and stay tuned for the latest updates.